In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your mobile hotspot when it's not working in Windows 11. This is a common issue that can be resolved quickly, and I'm here to guide you through it in under 5 minutes. So, let's get started and have your hotspot up and running again in no time. First, you'll want to open up your settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Once there, go ahead and click on Network and Internet. This is where we'll manage all aspects of your internet connectivity. Now, turn your attention to Mobile Hotspot. Make sure this option is turned on because sometimes it can be accidentally switched off, and that might be the root of your problem. Simply toggle it on and check if that solves your issue. If you're still experiencing issues, proceed by finding the search bar in your taskbar and typing in View Network Connections. This will lead you to a list of all your network connections. Locate the one labeled Local Area Connection. Right-click on it and select Properties from the drop-down menu. In this Properties dialog, you'll see various tabs at the top. Go ahead and click on the one labeled Sharing. Here, you must ensure that all options connected to internet connection sharing are unchecked. Checking these inadvertently can disrupt your mobile hotspot's functionality. After making sure internet connection sharing is set correctly, go back to your mobile hotspot settings and verify if it's working this time. At this point, many users will find that their issue is resolved. If the problem persists, we'll need to dive into some troubleshooting tools offered by Windows 11. Head over to Settings once more, then click on System, scroll down, and select Troubleshoot. From there, choose Other Troubleshooters. You'll see a list of various troubleshooter options. Look for the one labeled Network Adapter. This tool is designed to automatically detect and fix issues related to network connectivity, including hotspot glitches. Click Run next to Network Adapter, and Windows will begin scanning for any problems. Follow any on-screen instructions carefully, allowing Windows to diagnose and potentially fix any underlying issues that might be causing your mobile hotspot to not function properly. Once Windows has completed its troubleshooting process, check your hotspot functionality again to see if the issue has been resolved. If everything checks out, congratulations! You've successfully resolved your mobile hotspot issue on Windows 11. If you continue to encounter any problems, consider reaching out to Microsoft support for a more in-depth analysis, or possibly updating your network drivers. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide helped solve your hotspot issue. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and guides.